In this video, we're going to talk about a couple of things: converting mixed units and then doing some calculations before you start doing dimensional analysis. So what I mean by mixed units is something like convert 7 pounds 3 ounces to kilograms. So that 7 pounds 3 ounces is a mixed unit. So the way I'm going to handle that is first I'm going to get the original quantity into 1 unit. So the I want to take that 7 pounds 3 ounces, and I can either make it all into pounds or I can make it into ounces. And I'm going to choose ounces because in this case it keeps everything in whole numbers. So the first thing I do is go through my normal dimensional analysis steps. So I put a 1 under the 7 pounds. Then I look up on my conversion chart, 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound. Remember that I'm putting the pounds are on top here, pounds are on the bottom here, so that they'll cancel out. Then I cancel the pounds out. Then I multiply straight across the top and the bottom, so 7 times 16, and my ounces transfers over. And then on the bottom I just have 1 times 1. Remember the pound has canceled. And so that tells me that 7 pounds is 112 ounces. Now remember we had 7 pounds 3 ounces, so we got to put that 3 ounces back in. So since 7 pounds is 112 ounces, 7 pounds 3 ounces would be 112 plus 3, which is 115 ounces. So now we've got it into the 1 unit. 7 pounds 3 ounces is equal to 115 ounces. Now I've got to convert over to kilograms. So I look in my weight equivalence chart for something connecting ounces and kilograms. So 16 ounces is 0.4536 kilograms. And then I just go through my normal process. So 115 ounces over 1. This is my conversion fraction, 0.4536 kilograms over 16 ounces. That's the thing I got from the conversion chart. The ounces cancel, multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. When I do all that math, I wind up with 52.164 kilograms over 16, and that all turns out to be 3.260 kilograms. So my original 7 pounds 3 ounces turns out to be 3.260 kilograms. So another thing that comes up sometimes is you'll run into problems where you need to do a little work before you start the dimensional analysis. So here's an example. You need to serve each of 40 people a 6 fluid ounce portion of soup. How many gallons of soup do you need? So there's actually a couple of ways to do this. The first way is probably the most intuitive to you. So the first thing to do is just calculate the total number of fluid ounces. If you're serving 40 people 6 ounces apiece, 6 fluid ounces, then it's 240 fluid ounces of soup needed. So then we're going to take that number, that 240 fluid ounces of soup needed, do our normal dimensional analysis on it. I got this 1 gallon and 128 fluid ounces off my conversion chart. So I do the process we've been doing all along, and I get 1.875 gallons. So another method is to treat that part about 40 people getting served a 6 fluid ounce portion as its own dimension. And what I mean by that is right down here. So I can say I'm going to do 40 servings, and I can treat this like one of those conversions. So it's 6 fluid ounces per serving. And so servings go on the bottom, servings are on the top here. Those servings cancel out just like the fluid ounces will cancel out here. And then we still wind up with the same answer, 1.875 gallons.